Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to create M server and configuration it in the client. Okay, I have two machines, client and then M server, where and then the first thing you need is ISO file. I have an ISO file of Red Hat RHEL7, so I'm using. If you want, go to the settings, right click, go to the settings, and then add the ISO image. I have already added. Okay, once it is done, give OK, and then let me use my putty. Okay, IP address is 154. Okay, root. Okay, I have logged in. Let me make a big screen. Okay, um, here is my local host where it is a server and there is a test. It is a client. Okay, in the local host I have mounted I have added that DVD drive as a file. Let me mount that one to the local machine server, M server. For finding out by using ALKID, you can find out whether it has connected or not. Here you can see /dev/sr1. This is the device where RHEL 7.6, and then file type is ISO. This is ISO file which I have connected. Now let's mount it by creating a directory mkdir test. Okay, mount /dev sr1 and /test. Okay, it is mounted. Let's go to the directory. ls. Okay, it has been mounted successfully. You can see the packages and other files with it of an ISO file. Now change directory to the packages, where all the packages are there. We need to install here 4 packages mainly. The package m install vsftp. Okay, hit enter. Yes. Okay, it has been completed. And then again you have to install m install create repo. For that there is 2 dependency required, delta rpm and then m install python delta rpm. Okay, once this is done, the final package you are going to install is yum install create repo. Oh, create. Okay, create a repo. Sorry, create a repo. It also has been successfully installed. This is pretty much about the packages. The rest of the configuration let me explain in the coming up video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.